You're spending an average of 4 hours and 38 minutes every week writing and editing code. But what if I told you there's a way to cut that in half? Introducing Cursor AI, the revolutionary code editor that writes code for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use Cursor AI to automate your coding tasks, saving you time and increasing your productivity. Cursor AI uses machine learning algorithms to understand your coding intentions and generate code based on your inputs. It's like having a personal coding assistant at your fingertips. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a free Cursor AI account on their website. Once you've created your account, download and install the Cursor AI extension in your preferred code editor, Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, or Sublime Text. Let's dive into the interface of Cursor AI. As you launch the extension, you'll be greeted with a simple and intuitive dashboard. You'll see a text area where you can input your code, a menu bar with options to configure settings, and a panel